Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will study Introduction to Solar PV Installation System. Outlines. What do you understand by the word solar? What is solar energy? Three most important electrical terms used in solar system. Solar photovoltaic PV system. Main components of solar PV system. Types of solar PV system. Working principle. What do you understand by the word solar? The word solar originated from the Latin word solaris, from sol, sun. The definition of solar is relating to the sun, coming from the sun or depending upon the sun. What is solar energy? Solar energy is simply the light and heat that come from the sun. People can harness the sun's energy in a few different ways. Photovoltaic cells, which convert sunlight into electricity. Solar thermal technology, where heat from the sun is used to make hot water or steam. Three most important electrical terms. Electrical terms used in solar PV system are as follow. 1. Current, I, rate of flow of electrons. 2. Voltage, V, electromotive force. 3. Power, P, I x V, multiplication of I and V. Main components of solar PV system. Solar panels. PCU, power conditioning unit. Batteries. Loads, electrical appliances. Structure, for mounting panels. Solar PV panels. The term solar panel is used colloquially for a photovoltaic PV module. A PV module is an assembly of photovoltaic cells mounted in a framework for installation. Photovoltaic cells use sunlight as a source of energy and generate direct current electricity. A collection of PV modules is called a PV panel, and a system of panels is an array. Arrays of a photovoltaic system supply solar electricity to electrical equipment. PCU, Power Conditioning Unit. Solar Power Conditioning Unit, PCU, is an integrated system consisting of a solar charge controller, inverter and a grid charger. It provides the facility to charge the battery bank through either a solar or grid DG set. The PCU continuously monitors the state of battery voltage, solar power output and the load. Batteries are a collection of one or more cells whose chemical reactions create a flow of electrons in a circuit. All batteries are made up of three basic components: an anode, the negative side, a cathode, the positive side, and some kind of electrolyte, a substance that chemically reacts with the anode and cathode. Structure for solar PV system. Photovoltaic mounting systems are used to fix solar panels on surfaces like roofs, building facades, or the ground. These mounting systems generally enable retrofitting of solar panels on roofs or as part of the structure of the building. Types of solar PV system. DC solar PV system. A solar DC system typically consists of solar panels, charge controller, small 5100Ah batteries, LED lights and fans that run on DC and a mobile charging port. When sunlight falls on solar panels, they make DC electricity which goes through the charge controller to power DC fans and lights. Off-grid solar PV system. Off-grid systems work independently of the grid but have batteries which can store the solar power generated by the system. The system usually consists of solar panels, battery, charge controller, grid box, Inverter, mounting structure and balance of systems. On-grid solar PV system. On-grid means your solar system is tied to your local utilities grid. This is what most residential homes will use because you are covered if your solar system under or overproduces in regard to your varying energy needs. All this means for you is that your utility system acts as your battery space. Hybrid solar PV system. Solar hybrid power systems are hybrid power systems that combine solar power from a photovoltaic system with another power generating energy source. Energy sources may be solar PV panel, windmill, battery bank, grid connection, diesel generator. Working principle of solar PV system. 1. Photovoltaic cells absorb the sun's energy and convert it to DC electricity. 2. The solar PCU converts DC electricity from your modules to AC electricity, which is used by most home appliances. 3. In night when solar energy is not available, the appliance is run by the batteries and grid accordingly. 4. Excess electricity produced by solar is fed to the electric grid.